Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Canada to India using Wise. So, first of all, what you need to do is log in either to the Wise app or website to be able to send money. For example, here you can clearly see that we have this particular screen where we can precisely enter the exact amount of money we wish to send. And here we can also observe how much the recipient person in India would ultimately be receiving, okay? It's truly very simple and straightforward to effectively use this application, okay? We then proceed to enter our personal email address, okay? And after entering our email, it will ask us what type of account we want to open. We choose the personal account option, and once the account is opened, okay? Obviously, this particular process involves many more intricate steps. Here, in this specific context, we are going to diligently look for the Canadian currency, okay? So once we carefully select the Canadian currency option, or alternatively, we can proceed directly here to this specific option and then simply click on this particular option that clearly states send. When we click there, we are going to choose the Canadian currency here, and here we make sure that India is set as the destination country for the funds, okay? We click continue, set the parameters or the amounts, and then click continue again to choose the type of transfer. We have several types here, we simply choose one. So here it asks us to add a contact to whom we are going to send the money. Here we have to specify whether it's for ourselves or for someone else. So we carefully choose depending on precisely who the recipient is for, and well, right here, it's going to meticulously ask us for all of that particular person's essential details, specifically their email address, the person's complete and full name, the unique code it specifically asks for, or alternatively, the UPAI code. And well, right here, we are going to clearly and precisely set how exactly we are going to make the payment, outlining all the necessary steps and options. And well, that's it. It's something very simple to do. And if this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.